Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Things. Notion is a highly versatile workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, databases, and even building personal wikis. It offers extensive customization, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your needs. In contrast, Things is a dedicated task manager, renowned for its simplicity and adherence to getting things done principles. It provides a streamlined, opinionated workflow, focusing purely on efficient task management. We'll explore these core differences to help you decide. Notion truly shines as a flexible workspace. Its powerful database capabilities allow for complex data organization, from tracking projects to managing content calendars. Collaboration is seamless, with real-time editing and shared pages making teamwork effortless. You can create custom dashboards, intricate wikis, and comprehensive project management systems, all within one platform. Notion is accessible across web, desktop, and mobile devices, offering broad reach for all your organizational needs. Things, on the other hand, excels in focused task management. It boasts a clean, intuitive interface, specifically designed for efficient task capture and organization. For Apple users, it integrates seamlessly with the ecosystem, offering convenient widgets and quick entry options. Features like the Today and Upcoming views help you prioritize and plan your day with clarity. Things emphasizes a distraction-free environment, fostering focused productivity without unnecessary clutter. So, which tool is right for you? Choose Notion if you require an all-in-one solution for notes, tasks, and comprehensive knowledge management, especially if you value deep customization. Opt for Things if you prioritize a dedicated, simple, and elegant task manager, particularly if you are deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem. Remember, Things is Apple exclusive, while Notion is cross-platform. Both aim to boost your productivity, but through distinctly different, yet effective approaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.